In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode without any extension in Google Chrome. So first thing we need to do, we need to make sure we have the latest version. Dark mode was introduced in the version 78. So if you click on three dots right here in the top right corner and then go to help and then click about Google Chrome, right here you can see mine is I'm running 79 right now. This is the latest one. So if yours is 77, go ahead, upgrade to 78 or higher. And then you'll need to type in here Chrome columns / and then type flags and then click enter. And right here we need to type force dark mode. And in here you'll see it, as of right now it's set to default. You can change that and you can enable this. Once this is enabled, you'll have to relaunch your Chrome browser. And now you can see everything is in dark. Now let's verify on a couple websites. Let's go to YouTube. YouTube is in dark mode. Let's go to Twitter. Now you can see everything is in a dark mode. Instagram. And also let's check Reddit. Yep, everything is in a dark mode. And if address bar bugs you because it's in white, what you can do, you can go back to your desktop, right click on personalize, and then we need to click on colors. And right here, we need to choose dark. Once we do that, your background should change it to dark mode. And then once we open Google Chrome, you see that the address bar and your tabs are in a dark mode. And if you change your mind, here's a few steps you need to do. You need to go back, change this to your light, and then close this. And then we can go back again, back to experiments, and then type flags. And right here, we're just gonna disable it or leave it as default, and then relaunch the browser. And now it's back to normal. Thanks for watching.